Hello my darlings, welcome to my channel. It's girl Ihunde Carole. Today I'm showing you how to wash using WTC-T802 Hisense washing machine. This is an automatic machine. This is the drum in which you put the clothes. There we pour the detergent. Then there we pour the liquid softener. It can carry a capacity of 8 kgs. To use the machine we shall need an extension of a hose pipe, then extension of power. Let's get started. Step 1, we shall sort the clothes according to the color. Step 2, we shall put clothes in the drum, then arrange them in the sides of the drum, leaving the center of the drum without clothes. Step 3, we shall pour the detergent on the pan. You can pour some of the detergent into the clothes. This is the back of the washing machine. This hose pipe takes the clean water into the machine. This hose pipe takes the dirty water out of the machine. This is the socket that goes to the power supply. Step 4, we shall connect the socket to the extension going to the power supply. Step 5, we shall connect the hose pipe to the water source, which is a tap, then connect to the machine. Step 6, we shall take the hose pipe to the sink where the dirty water will pour. This usually disturbs because if you don't raise the hose pipe up, the machine will show an error because the water is going out of the pipe when it's not raised up. Step 7, we shall operate the machine. Press the power button, then press the program to quick, then press the water level to 1 and 2, like that. Then press the start button, then turn on the water on the tap. The machine will run for 15 minutes. It will wash, rinse and spin till dry. If you're new to my channel, please press the subscription button down there. You can also like me and comment. You can then follow me on my Instagram, which is at Ihunde carole. Washing is done. The clothes are dry. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.